Hello Sky Traders, welcome back to a new video. This is our weekly recap and forecast video. We're gonna discuss the Bitcoin dollar. So without further ado, let's get started. As you know that we are in a strong bearish market right now, and people are anticipating that we are at the end or at the bottom of this bearish market. 10k or 10k USD for one Bitcoin was anticipated before to be the lowest or the bottom of the bearish market. However, most of the analysts, including me as well, see that a 10k now is way far, and probably even if we're gonna go to 10k, we need to have and grab some liquidity from the 30k USD resistant level. So right now 10k is not in my opinion is not possible at the moment unless we grab like certain liquidity from the market and kick out a lot of traders and take out a lot of orders to be able to go to the 10k support level. And on the monthly time frame, we can clearly see that this is a really important level that we're trading on right now. Let's highlight this level from the body to the lowest traded price of this buy candle back in 1st of December 2020. A lot of long-term buyers placed a lot of buy orders between those two levels, 19,660 and 17,600, and we saw price creating a possible order block and couldn't penetrate lower than this level during the past 5 months. So this is clearly an important level. We created a strong high pressure bearish candle. However, we couldn't break through this candle or close lower than this price, or even take out the liquidity from the buy orders that were placed and scattered during this area. And we know that we didn't wipe out those traders because there's not huge rejection from this level. So what we can see right now is a possible order block, and we can confirm this order block if we created a high pressure buy candle breaking this market structure, especially the candle that was created in August 2022. So what we're waiting right now is a high pressure buy candle or high pressure sell candle to wipe out all of these orders. However, I see in order to have the potential and the sufficient money and order flow to penetrate through this level, we need to grab some liquidity first. On the weekly time frame, price broke this resistant trend line that was created over the past couple of months, since 22nd of June until now, or 10th of October 2022. And price was consolidating, trying to collect orders. And as you know that whenever there's a consolidation, price is trying to collect orders in one direction, and once we have the sufficient liquidity, we can move in one of the directions. This is a liquidity void area as well, and price is consolidating through this level. So at least what we can expect is price reaching the upper limit of the consolidation phase, which is at 25,280. And even we can see price expand further up to 30k resistance line, because on the daily time frame this is also considered a liquidity void area, and an order block was previously created at this level. So this is the first level that we're going to target in case it's a buy model. And the next possible level is 30K resistant line or level, because this is an liquidity void as well. So let's highlight this level, price level, and the other price level. So breaking this trend line or resistant line, consolidating and grabbing some liquidity and some orders, buy orders, especially that we are in an important level, which is the liquidity void. And again, on the monthly time frame, a lot of buy orders were placed previously at this area. So in case we are in a bullish mood, the next level that we're expecting is 23,000, around 23,000. This is the first target. And the second target is 30,000. This is a completely liquidity pool because price moved in one direction. Consolidation, expansion in one direction without trading back to this level, with a possible liquidity void area. Consolidation, then price broke this resistance line or trend line. First area to target to take out all of this liquidity that were placed because of this high pressure sell candle and this liquidity void. And price is going to try, if we broke through this liquidity void. So in case, let's highlight this, in case price traded, break through this liquidity void area, try to trade back, we can see further expansion, and it's gonna be so fast because again, price moved in one direction, having a lot of sell orders. So once we wipe all of these orders, price is gonna gain more and more potential to continue to the next important level, which is gonna be this liquidity void area. So we have next week or next couple of weeks 2 important levels to take care of. And we have 2 models. Price can trade to this level, and if price created high pressure sell candle breaking a market structure, and a market structure could be in the form of high pressure buy candle to trap buyers, then we can see further downside. Second case, if price traded and break through this level, price is going to try to trade back, and then expansion breaking this market structure, and this market structure is going to be in the form of high pressure sell candle to trap sellers. And once we are in this area, we're going to wipe out all of the sellers. All of the sellers gain more potential to reach the upper limit, which is going to be this liquidity void level. Then we can see further expansion to the downside. Bearish market is not over yet. However, we can see a short-term bullish trend in Bitcoin or in crypto generally, because of the technical analysis and because of the fundamental analysis that due to all of these news about Twitter, about Dogecoin expanding more than 50% because of the acquisition of Twitter by Elon Musk. So fundamentally speaking, technically speaking, and also sentimentally speaking, we can have and expect a short-term bullish market. But again, the bearish market is not done yet, or probably we can see further move in the downside, but at least we need to grab some liquidity from the upper limits. Thank you so much for watching. Go and check your charts as usual and trade safe.